హలో మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెరీ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు ఆల్. మనం ఈరోజు ఒక లాజికల్ సమ్స్ నేర్చుకుందామా. అస్తమాటు మామూలు సమ్సే కాదు, అప్పుడప్పుడు లాజికల్ సమ్స్ కూడా నేర్చుకోవాలి. లాజికల్ థింకింగ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ మ్యాథ్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఫస్ట్ సమ్, ప్రూవ్ దట్ 2 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1. ప్రూవ్ దట్ 2 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1. How to prove 2 equals to 1? So many ways are there, but which one is correct you have to choose. Okay. For example, 1 square is equals to 1 power 1. Then bases are equal. You can equate the powers. You will get 2 equals to 1. 1 cube equals to 1 square. Then from this again you can write 3 equals to 2. 1 power 4 equal to 1 cube. Bases are equal. You can equate powers 4 equal to 3. But by using one writing like this, you can continuously writing like this, you will get so many answers. You will get so many answers like that. But prove that 2 equals to 1. How to prove 2 equals to 1? Okay. So the below methods not correct. This method is not correct because it will give all or so many answers to you. Okay. So which one is correct method? Here we are going to discuss. Come to the correct proof. Proof. Let A equals to B. Let us assume that A equals to B. It means in forward whenever B can appear instead of B, we can write A. Or instead of A, you can write B. So let A equals to B. Let us assume that A equals to B. Multiply both sides equation 1 with A. Then you will get A into A equals to A into B. What is the meaning of A into A? A square. A into A means A square. Equals to A into B means AB. So A square equals to AB. Now subtract both sides B square. It means A square beside minus B square equals to AB beside also minus B square. What is the formula of A square minus B square? A plus B into A minus B. From AB minus B square, take B as common, you will get A minus B. Now both sides you can cancel A minus B and A minus B. Then remaining left A plus B equals to B. A plus B equals to B. Now A plus B equals to A plus B equals to B. Right. So here A plus B equals to B. Starting equation 1, what we assumed A equals to B. So instead of A you can write B. Then here write B. Then you will get B plus B is equals to B. B plus B means what? 2B. 2B equals to B. Now you can cancel B in B how many times? 1 times. So this is the process. B in B 1 times. Then you can get 2 equals to 1. So this is the one of the logical sum. Think logically and try to get the answers. This is also important for you. Logical thinking is very very important for every math student. Okay. So utilize the sum and try to get your mind logical. You try to take away your mind into logical way. Okay. Right. So again I am going to explain. So 1 square equals to 1 power 1, 1 cube equal to 1 square, 1 power 4 equal to 1 square. This is not correct because so many answers you can get by writing like this. But the correct proof for prove that 2 equals to 1. How to prove 2 equals to 1? This is the proof. See correctly. Assume that A equals to B. That is equation 1. Assume that A equals to B. Multiply both sides with A. A equals to B ఏం చేస్తారు? అటు ఇటు కూడా Aతో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. Then A into A equals to A into B. A into A means what? A square. A into B means AB. Now subtract B square both sides. Okay. A square beside minus B square equals to AB beside minus B square. Now what is A square minus B square? A plus B into A minus B. From AB minus B square, take B as common, you will get A minus B. Now both sides you can cancel A minus B and A minus B. You will get the step A plus B equals to B. So whenever A plus B equals to B, from equation 1, what is A? B. Right here. Then B plus B equals to B. 2B equals to B. B cancelled in B 1 times. Then 2 equals to 1. So this is the best proof to prove that 2 equals to 1. Once you see all the sum clearly, here this is the sum. Right. Thank you very much for watching this video. Yours Bharat sir. Thank you.